Yo, what's going on, guys? Back with another video. I figured I would do another one. I told myself I wasn't going to edit on my birthday, but here I am editing on my birthday. It doesn't matter. I figured the video wouldn't take that long, so let's just jump right into it. This is the Trader Joe's pair of Jordan 3 OG Retros, and they say 200 on them. And we're going to be comparing these to a pair of retail Jordan OG 3s that I have in a size 10, 200 as well. And you can see those labels look a little different. We're going to come back to it. We're going to come back to the boxes do look different. Even the reds for the Jumpman look a little different. But we're going to come back to those. Let's focus on the pair from Trader Joe's really quickly. And with these, I knew something was like going on when the box was kind of like not put together well. And the paper here, I showed this on my live when I got these that same day, and the box was falling apart. It's like it didn't glue together very well, or I don't know, but the tissue paper was stuck to the glue. I guess they just kind of threw it together. I don't know if shipping did that, but it was a little, see, I didn't really want to tear the paper like that. So, I mean, I know it's just a box, but right off the bat, that's what was the first thing that told me something wasn't right. And just looking at them, I mean, if you have a pair of retail OG 3s, you can tell what the issue is. And I'm not going to sit here and, act like you don't see it. I see it. The leather to me looked pretty good. Let's see if it bounces back. Well, it's not. I pressed it kind of hard, though, but I don't know. The back heel, the shape of the shoe looks pretty good. Overall, it looks pretty good. I mean, the Jumpman looks pretty good on it, I think. That's the inside part. Some people like to see that. Okay. Closer look at that. It says 2017 on them. All right. But if you look at the, we're looking at the right shoe. And the patent leather, not the patent leather, but the elephant print. Man, I can't take my eyes off the elephant print. I mean, come on now. It's not horrible. It's just if you have a pair of retails like what I have right here, and you can look at the toe box. Like the toe box is a little bit more slanted back on the retail, a bit more boxy on the UAs. So, and even on the tumbled leather, it's more tumbled leathery on the retail pair as well. Like the leather's not bad on the Trader Joe's pair at all. It's just it's not like the retail. Okay. See, it's like it just has a different texture. I don't know what to call that. It's just a different texture. It's not bad, but it's not that reptilian skin looking tumble type of leather that you're used to seeing. There's a cut difference. Looks like the UA is a little higher in the back. The grays also look different on the sole. But I mean, they're not too far off. Here's the that's the UA Jumpman. Yeah, look at the tongue shape too at the top. Retail is a lot more smoother. They usually always nail that. Okay, giving you guys another look at that. There's some difference in those Jumpmans. I think the one had a higher butt on the one to the UA one. But taking a look at the black light. Under the black light, let's see, right off the bat, you can see there are some spots all over. And, the thing about this, what kind of hurts is the Trader Joe's, they got really good stuff. So for me to get this from them, this is anything I could cover up. Like the proof is what you see. Like it's, maybe I should have picked something else. I don't know. I still recommend them. I just don't know if I could recommend this particular pair that I have right here. I mean, there's stuff all over them. You look at the other shoe, it's the same markings on the other foot. There was no stamps. And here's a look at the retail just so you can kind of see an example of no markings. And they're even a different color. Like some of the materials are different colors compared to both of them. But, it is what it is. Okay. right. That's what's up. That's what's up. And today was a good day on some Ice Cube type. But what's going on, guys? It's Friday, big day tomorrow with the Beats, Eats, and Sneaks. Hoping I can make it there. It's like from 2 to 8, so that's a huge window to like make an event like that. And I want to capture like the event like I always do. One of my favorite meals here. I don't know why I bring all the defective shoes to such a beautiful mural right here. I don't know why I do it. I got about 3 minutes of sunlight, and that's really it. I got to go to I got to go to a store, a special store that's around this area. I can't tell you guys what store it is. Just a very special store. Take some pictures, get some on feet real quick, and I am back at the editing table, man. I really hate that this had to be a shoe from yeah, I really hate that because, you know, those are actually some good people there. So it is what it is. Maybe we can do another shoe. Let me get out here, guys. Let me get out here. Peace, love, and light. You know what I'm saying? I brought the naps back out, too. You know what I'm saying? I had to bring them bad boys back out. Is that good enough? Yeah, that'll do it. And you know what? I was also thinking about getting my hold on. I was also thinking about getting my first tattoo here. You know what I'm saying? Right here. I love their artwork.